this video, we're going to make a piezo buzzer to sing with Arduino. You'll learn how to generate tones and make simple melodies. A piezo buzzer is a small speaker that can beep when you give it voltage. It usually has two pins, a positive and a negative. Positive goes to a digital output pin on the Arduino, and negative goes to ground. Some buzzers only beep at a fixed frequency and some can be controlled by the Arduino to make different notes. Don't worry if your piezo buzzer looks different from mine or sounds different from mine, because it'll probably work the same way anyway. You'll need an Arduino Uno, a breadboard, a piezo buzzer, and two jumper wires. Place the buzzer so each leg is in a separate row on the breadboard. Connect the positive pin to Arduino pin 8, connect the negative pin to ground, and done! That's all you need. No resistor is required for most piezo buzzers. Next, plug in your Arduino. In setup, we tell the Arduino that pin 8 is an output, which will control our buzzer. This tells the buzzer to play a 440 Hz note. That's a A above middle C. This delay pauses for half a second so we can hear it. No tone stops the sound. Another delay gives a pause before repeating. This loop keeps the buzzer from beeping on and on. This is one of my first videos, so any likes, shares or subscribes would be amazing.